under the sun and share some buffalo wings dito sa Sunrise Buckets. Kumbitin pa kayo sa init at saya ng summer. Ang beach-themed restaurant na ito ang bahala sa cravings nyo. Sunrise Buckets is owned and managed by sisters and chefs na sina Abigail at Bridget Ko.
Sunrise Buckets, we started November 24 last year. So total right now it's almost 6 months already. And we're located here at Madison Square in North Green Hills. Sunrise Buckets is popular for our buffalo wings.
We want our customers to feel like they're dining by the beach. So it's a very relaxing ambiance with nice reggae music.
Ipinagmamalaki ng Sunrise Buckets ang iba't ibang chicken dishes nila, especially ang kanilang buffalo wings na tiyak na magugustuhan ng buong barkada. Unique din sa resto na ito ang kanilang mga tables na may butas kung saan pwedeng mong ilagay ang buckets of chicken mo.
Actually, parang sobrang chill lang yung ambience, tsaka parang masaya mag-hangout dito, gano'n.
Colorful.
Kaya naman itry nyo ang Sunrise Buckets, where life is simple. For inquiries, please call 477-7636.
Nagutom naman ako doon, kabarkadas. But you're still watching The Rap with me, your one and only GF Gretchen Toledo. And for our last item for tonight,